Well, good morning. We're here for another unpackaging video for our Valen manifold kit. This particular one is kit AC-150-2473. And this kit replaces the existing manifold on your TxZ Endura remote gas box. So let's open it up and see what's inside. This kit is fully compatible with the existing machine and comes with all of the necessary installation items. As usual, Valen does a very good job packaging so that things arrive undamaged and ready to work with. So first thing that comes out of the box, we have some installation instructions here and a schematic with some overall dimensions. We have some tools and some hardware, which we will go through. And as we dig inside, we find the manifold. This is a 20 solenoid manifold. Okay, and so here's our manifold, ready to install. So this is the Endura TxZ remote gas box replacement manifold. It is a 10-station manifold. Each station has a three-way valve, two three-way valves in it. And what we have is the manifold itself, an adapter plate with the mounting studs and the hardware that will mount directly to the existing Endura TxZ mounting position. And then electrically, we have connectorized these leads. They will plug in directly into the current Applied Materials printed circuit board. And additionally, we understand that part of the maintenance procedure requires that EV9 be disconnected while the system is powered for servicing. So we've added this inline connector here so that this can be disconnected during that process. Additionally, we have on EV20, we have a connection feature that will connect into the remote control of EV20. And not shown here in this kit today, but there is a cable that is provided in the kit that will connect from this point to the SSR for control. Now, the kit that comes, the pieces that come in the kit, we have the mounting hardware, washer and nuts. We have a adapter, stem fitting that will convert the 5/16 OD tubing to the Applied Materials tool 1/4-inch OD tubing on the exhaust. That would fit into this area here. So we'll take that and we'll simply slide it into the port that way. We also have a pilot vent muffler. And that will fit into this small port over here. And we ship these separate so that they don't get broken during shipment. And a tool that we provide for service later. This would allow you to take one of these stations out if you ever need to. These valves are rated for 150 million cycles. So it'll be quite some time before you ever would need to remove or replace a valve. And then finally, we provide the kit provides some labels so that you can label your EV valves accordingly. That is the Endura TxZ remote gas box manifold replacement kit. Thank you.